Hi guys, so this video is to recap what we did today in class and what we're going to continue to do tomorrow and what your mini quiz will be on then. So you are going to be allowed to use your homework on your mini quiz, but moving forward you are not going to be allowed to use your notes, so it gives you a little incentive to get this homework done. So let's review what a function is. A relation is a function if every x value, or we can also say input, has exactly one y value or output. All right, so let's look at these exemplars. First thing I'm figuring out when it's a function or not a function is my x values repeating. So I take a look at my x values, which is always going to be on the left of our diagram. And I look, I have 1, 3, 8, 5 to 7. Each one has only one output because I look at my arrows and it only goes to one number. So this is a function. Okay. Then I take a look at my next example, and I see that the 2's are circled. All right, so this is not a function because 2 is repeating with two different y values. Okay, and I'm sorry, I forgot to write my explanation for the first exemplar. This is a function because every x All right, so let's try this on our own now using what we learned in class and in this video. Okay, so let's take a look at number 4. Is the relation shown a function? So if I am not sure what to do with my mapping, I can also create this into a table using my arrows. So 5, 10 as a coordinate, 10, 20, 15, 30. Now 20, notice, has 2 arrows, so that means 20 goes with 40, and 20 also goes with 50. So now I'm going to go ahead and look at my x values, and I'm looking, does something repeat? Yes. What repeats? The 20. Okay, so I see that they are two different y values, two different outputs. So that means this is not a function. All right, let's look at number 5. They're giving us the inputs and outputs already in a table. So I'm going to go ahead and scan my x values or my inputs. Are any repeating? No, they are not repeating, so that means this is a function because every x value has its own or unique y value. All right, and last but not least, number 6. So if I wanted to make this into a table with my x and y, I could. Remember, the first point is my first value in the coordinate is x, and the second is the y. I like doing this because it allows me to focus on the x's a little bit more independently. So I didn't have to do that. I could just look at all my x's here. But when I look at this, it's just a little bit more clear for me, but that's just a personal opinion. So I look here. Are there any x values repeating? No, so this is a function. All right, so when is a relation a function? I want you to use the top of the page and your definition of a function to answer this question on your own. All right, if you have any questions at the end of this video, please type them in. I'll see you tomorrow.